so jangi kadi agriculture, what will be agriculture up to O level or A level. The Ndama cattle is an indigenous breed of West Africa. Indigenous. How can the breed be indigenous and the people who follow the breed, they are not indigenous? According to the World Food Program, a research that has been done, they said the Ndama cattle has been domesticated 8,000 years ago. Dubi guluji jetati. Sitai non Ndama cattle on wadama domesticate dubi guluji jetati. What be non domesticate Ndama cattle on ko dubi jelu be woni futa jalo ma futa toro. So porto be benko innata e ma arabu be ben fulbe benko India iwi ma ko e arabu be iwi dum don na gonga. Arabu ari West Africa in AD 800. AD 800 be ari Africa hari futa toro wadama create in AD 300, a contemporary of the Ghana Empire. AD 300, and the Prophet of Islam Nulado no Jibina in AD 570. So what they subtract AD 570 minus AD 300, by 260 years, futa toro wadama create si Nulado medem Jibina hari ontuma Arabu arali Africa. So ko honno non be innata en kaka Indian be ben iwden ma ko e Arabu iwden ko Afrique do jeya dem from the Atlantic seaboard to the Red Sea, ko lady fulbe in the belt of the Savannah and the Sahara. Ko lady men, the belt of the Savannah and the Sahara ko lady Afrique. Ko hondo woni ribay Sahara on wadi wobbe jippi to Lake Chad, wobbe jippi Nile, wobbe jawri Senegal, wobbe jawri Fouta Jalon, ko ni sendor den e der Afrique. Na